No more hungry days, no more hungry bellies, Rain. It's all behind you now.
I love watching it.
Me too. It's good, Mommy.
Yeah, right? You call grandma to come babysit?
It's good stuff, guys. We do great stuff. It's even better when we get to see them get adopted and they go home to these amazing homes. We ran into like so many of our babies that got spayed and neutered today. Siblings that were adopted from the same litter.
It took me closer to one, like two. Over here. She's young.
She's a baby. She's like 2 years old.
Yeah, look what you see her. Yeah, see that?
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that face. Hi, Rain. Hi. Hi, Mama. Is it good? Look at this. Good boy.
I wonder what they're used
I think it's a big dog because I don't
to. I know, and they're not.
Do you hear the questions that are asked? Like we're going to be able to tell what they're mixed with in 2
I
days.
wasn't asking you.
Oh, you're just curious saying out loud.
We have to get the DNA and find the father.
I mean, people ask, how big are you going to be? Oh, I
Oops.
don't know.
Look at the light one and look at the chocolate one.
And at least we got those.
Such good stuff right here.
With their names, I could send it to the lady that really picked them up.
Hi.
So she doesn't even see what the dog's
Hi,
right?
Rain. No. Hi, Mama.
Just Jessie.
So good from here on out, guys. Welcome rain, storm, thunder and lightning to 100 plus. Just brought into safety from living on the streets, infested with ticks, fleas, starving. Unbelievable. Their life has just changed.
Also, they probably speak if they're still.
100 plus abandoned dogs in Everglades, Florida.